Hey, I want to share a quick story with you. If you've ever tried flirting over text and felt like it just wasn't working, trust me, you're not alone. I used to struggle with the exact same thing, making all the usual mistakes and wondering why nothing ever moved forward. But after a lot of experimenting and learning the hard way, I finally figured out what actually works. Let me walk you through how I got there, and how you can get better results too. A few years back, I was genuinely excited about text flirting. It felt like the perfect way to connect, especially since everyone is glued to their phones these days. But even with all that motivation, I kept hitting walls. I'd end up in long text conversations, thinking I was building something meaningful, but instead I became nothing more than a chatting buddy. The talks would drag on, and whatever spark there was would slowly disappear. One of my biggest mistakes was opening conversations with boring, overused messages like, "Hi, what's up?" or "Hey, are you busy?" I thought keeping it casual was the right move, but in reality, those texts made me blend in with every other guy. There was nothing memorable about them. I wasn't standing out, I was just another name in her inbox. That's when it became obvious I needed a completely different approach if I wanted real connection. That's when I stumbled across a breakthrough method that changed everything for me: the texting two-step. This simple idea completely flipped my results, and I'm excited to share it with you. Before we dive into that, make sure to check out my free attraction playbook, which can help you start attracting amazing women much faster. Now, step 1 is sending a warm but slightly mysterious opener. Instead of a basic greeting, I started using messages like, "Hey, I wanted to ask you something," or "Hey, hope you don't mind me asking." These instantly sparked curiosity and almost always got replies. Most women responded with something like, "What is it?" clearly interested in continuing the conversation. Step 2 is asking a straightforward question once you have their attention. I'd follow up with something simple like, "How are you feeling right now?" or "When are you free this week?" This kept the interaction moving and made it much easier to transition toward meeting up. The difference was incredible. Women became noticeably more engaged, and setting up dates felt natural instead of forced. As I started using the texting two-step, my results improved a lot, but I realized that getting a yes to a date was only the beginning. The real impact happened in person, and I needed a way to make those moments truly memorable. That's when I learned about seduction, not just attraction, but a deeper way of connecting that creates emotional pull. Seduction goes beyond surface-level interest. It builds a strong emotional bond, similar to how people get hooked on a great TV series or an unforgettable story. When I began using this approach, the women I dated felt deeply connected and genuinely excited to spend time together. By combining the texting two-step with real-world seduction, I finally had a complete system. It allowed me to start strong through text and then build a meaningful, lasting connection in person.